What's the deal, YouTube? It's Bush360 back at it again with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how to get waves 2020 method. You feel me? Already did how to do a washing style 2020 method. I did that a couple weeks ago. But today I'm telling you how to do waves. I'm getting a little more detail. I'm talking about brushing. I'm talking about oils. I'm talking about the mirror. I'm talking about a little bit of everything that you need to know about how to get waves 2020 method. You feel me? And y'all already know we on lockdown, man. We on this quarantine stuff. So ain't nothing better else for nobody to do. Everybody's stuck at home. So why not pick up the brush and go crazy? You feel me? Why sit at home and not do nothing when you could be brushing and stepping up your game? You feel me? That's what I've been doing. I'm just trying to let you guys know that. You feel me? That y'all can do the same thing. But with that being said, today's video I'm going to be telling you how to get waves 2020. So with that being said, if you got a do-rag on like me, you might want to come out the do-rag right now. That'll be your best option right now for you to do right now. Alright, let's come out the rag. You feel me? Double compress. I got a good brush session in last night. I did a washing style about 2 days ago. So you feel me? I'm on point. My goodness. Woo. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yeah, I know y'all see it. Yeah. So if you watching the video, you might want to watch the full video. If you want, you feel me? If you want these tips, you might want to watch the full video. You feel me? But with that being said, basically what you want to do is, when I wake up in the morning, you feel me? I wake up, I'm fresh out the rag, as y'all can see, you feel me? And this is what I do, you feel me? All 2020, this is what I've been doing. I'm just giving y'all my method about what I'm doing, because it's basically how to get waves. So I'm basically letting you know my method. I'm not telling you, y'all know somebody else's method or trying to sound like somebody else. I'm saying what exactly I do 2020, you feel me? My method. So this is what I do. I come out the wave cap, as y'all can see, we just came out the wave cap. And then I like to get a comb, personally. I like to get a comb and comb through. When my hair is a little longer, I don't really like combing right now because my hair is really not that long, so it'll kind of like annoy my scalp. But when my hair is a little longer, I like to comb first. Comb. Open up that, you feel me? You wanna lift that hair up. You don't have to comb, cause you're a beginner, you can still comb. It's not that you don't have to be elite to start combing, or you have to be in a certain stage to start doing stuff. If you're a beginner, all the elite stuff you was doing, you could bring that to the beginner stage, you feel me? So it's like you don't have to be elite to do elite things. You could be a beginner and do elite things. And people gonna look at you in the wave game like, dang, he's starting off real fast. He has a head start. How's his waves progressing that fast? How did he get to this level that fast? Why? Because he's doing elite things. He's thinking smart. You feel me? That's like a freshman. If he wants to play on varsity, he has to be good, and his skill has to be varsity level in order to play varsity. Same with the wave game. If you want to be elite, your waves have to be elite to be an elite wave game. So it's a little bit of that. So you feel me? Like I said, first thing you want to do, if your hair is long or it's not that long, or especially if you're a crochet waver, y'all hair gets tangled and kind of like you feel me, kind of like nappied easily. No offense to the crochet wavers, but I'm just saying it kind of gets a little nappy and tangled easily. So you want to pick up that comb and you want to comb through that. You want to lift, you want to try to straighten out that hair. You feel me? That's what you want to do first. And then after you do that, you feel me? Basically what I do is I pick up the hard brush. Hard brush right here. Bush360 hard brush. And then you want to brush with it. And you see my hair is getting lifted up. It's lifting up. I would have combed first, but it's not that long, so I don't really want to mess with the combing yet. Really don't want to comb yet. So you want to get that hard brush and you want to just wake that scalp up. You want to wake it up. You feel me? Brush your same pattern, however you brush, and just brush. You feel me? And I'm going for a 360 just to let everybody know. For my beehive or swirl, I'm going for a 360. For my crown, sorry about that, my crown. I'm going for a 360, y'all. Just to let y'all know. So y'all can know what I'm going for. I'm going for a 360. Don't mind me. You feel me? So that's what you want to do first. You want to just get you a good little brush session. It's not that hard how to get waves. You feel me? It's not that hard. You feel me? I just woke up easily. Like I said, you want to comb first, or if your hair's not long enough, you want to skip that part. You want to pick up your hard brush. Bush360, this is my brush. You want to pick up your hard brush, and you want to brush. You want to lift that scalp up, you feel me? That's all you're doing is lifting it up. You just will sleep all night for 12, 10 hours. Your hair is clogged up. You feel me? Of course you had it laid. You got to lay it down. You got to save the progress. But now it's the next day, bro. You got to keep that brush moving. What you still got that do-rag on for? Take that do-rag off. I'll snatch that do-rag off. You feel me? So it's like you want to just keep brushing. Brush for a little bit. I just woke up. I want to brush for a little bit. I just woke up. I want to make sure I'm hitting my angles right, man. I just woke up, man. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing, but I know I'm brushing. You feel me? He just woke up and he's not even brushing. You feel me? He wanted to go make him a bowl of cereal first. I don't know how he could do that. I gotta wake up and brush first. Before I eat, sleep, shit, do all that, I gotta wake up and brush first. You feel me? You gotta have that mindset too if you really want to be a waver. For those beginners that's watching this, if you just scrolling by and see my video and you just got waves and you just want to wave for a little bit, then this video might not be for you. But if you really want to be a waver and you want to take this journey serious, this video is gonna be for you perfectly, and it's really gonna be for you. Feel me? So after you get that hard brush, you want to wake that scalp up. It's lifted up. It's kind of, I could put some ointment or I could rub something in my hair and it'll kind of get in my scalp because it's kind of lifted up. It's not stuck. It's not laid down to my scalp. It's not sealed down. It's lifted up. It's breathing. Letting my hair breathe. And what I want to do is, I want to apply a little bit of oil. You feel me? What I'm going to apply this Jamaican black castor oil. You feel me? Coconut. Apply some of this. I know y'all might know about this. When I first was in the wave game, I really didn't like this oil because it was too thick. And I just didn't know why I didn't really like it. You feel me? But now I like it. Like, I don't know why I like it now, but I like it. Like, I guess it's working, or I'm using it right this time, or I don't know, maybe last time I probably wasn't using it right. So you want to just add a little bit of oil in your hair. And you really want to just keep that brush moving too. Another thing about oils, pomades, moisturizers, that's not going to get you the waves. That's going to help you get the waves. The waves how you going to get the waves is you got to brush. You have to brush. This stuff is not going to get you the waves. All this stuff is going to do is give you a shine. It's going to seal it for you. It's going to make your hair a little healthy, you feel me? It is vitamins and stuff you need for your hair, but it's not going to get you the waves. It's not going to get you the waves. It's just not. So it's like, this stuff could only take you so far, but you got to pick up that breast to take you the rest type thing. So it's like, you feel me? But apply a little bit of oil on my hair. And the tips I'm giving y'all, this is what I do. You feel me? I'm not trying to, you feel me? This is what I do when I wake up. This is exactly what I do. So you feel me? If y'all might not think it's enough or it might not work, it's working because look, this is what I do. You feel me? So just listen to everything I'm saying. Watch the full video. Y'all already know it's Bucci Gang, Bucci 6. If you're watching this full video right now, make sure you subscribe. On the road to 12,000 subscribers. You feel me? Comment. You feel me? Give it a thumbs up. Support me, man. Support me. But you feel me? After you do that, you want to rub that in real good. Then you want to pick your medium brush back up. Well, I got this medium brush right here. I already used the hard brush, which is 60 hard brush. I got the medium brush right here. So we finna go ahead and just lay the rest of this down. You feel me? And it's what I do, like, basically every day. Every single day. If you do this a couple of times throughout the day, like when you wake up in the morning, sometime in the middle of the day, and at nighttime. 3 times a day, you're getting at least, okay, if you're not getting an hour each session, that's like 3 hours. You getting in the whole day. If you're brushing 3 hours a day, you winning. But if you don't want to brush that long, I don't want to brush that long where I'm busy, really you ain't got nothing to do right now because we can't go nowhere, everything's closed, so that's the excuse right there. I just caught you. You feel me? But if you're not doing anything, if you're not doing anything, brush at least an hour when you wake up, an hour sometime in a day, and an hour at nighttime. If you're not doing anything, but if you're busy and you got a tight schedule, try to brush at least 30 minutes then. So that's about an hour and a half, you feel me? The whole day. That's pretty good. It's still good. You want at least like get some type of session in. Even if it's not a long session I gotta get a long session in. As long as it's some type of session in, you're good. Because you wanna pull them, you wanna pull them curls, you wanna stretch them curls out. So if you can even just brush it a couple of times, that's gonna help. That's gonna help. You feel me? Don't just go 2-3 days without brushing and start sleep without your wave cap, because that's when you're gonna start losing motivation. And you're gonna stop waving and your hair is not gonna be laid and you just not gonna like it. I promise you. I promise. So you better just do it a couple of times throughout the day. Don't make it so stressful. Just get you a quick little session in. And brush with me. I hope y'all brushing with me. You feel me? It's like, You want to brush that in for a solid 2 to 3 minutes. You feel me? Just brushing it in. Just brushing it in. You know, let y'all see the back. Y'all see the back and all that. After I brush that in for about 10 to 20 minutes, you feel me? I haven't did it yet, but I'm just telling y'all, after y'all brush it in for about 10, 20 minutes, you want to get your hard brush, your soft brush. Because you already went from hard, you started off with hard. If you got hair, if your hair is thick, you start off with a comb. Then you start off with the hard brush. Then you work your way to the medium brush. Then now I'm at the soft brush. So you want to brush your hair with the soft brush. And what the soft brush is like exactly used for is to like lay down any frizz or any hairs that's sticking up, and it's like it smooths out your shine. Like if you just apply some oil in it, it kind of like it moisturizes it through your hair. Like you feel me? When I brush, it's pulling all through my hair. You feel me? It's just going everywhere. So that's another thing that's good about a soft brush. That's what I could say. It's real nice. It's handy. You can use it. It's perfect. You feel me? As you can see how slipping. And I know that happens to each waver where the brush slip out your hand. If the brush ever slipped out your hand, make sure y'all comment that. Let me know. Because this brush is always slipping out my hand, man. It's always slipping out my hand. Always. So you brush that in for a little bit. What I do is, I call it the double oil. I add a little bit of more oil to seal it though. To seal it and just, you feel me? It's about to rag up. I'm about to rag up. So this is the oil I use, People to Go, legendary oil. You feel me? This oil is, man, very good. Smells very good. Works very good. So what I do is get a little bit of this. Don't need too much because I already just applied some oil. So it's like I just use this to, you feel me, seal it, wrap it up, and watch the shine it give me. Watch this. Boom. Boom. Watch this. Boom. Boom. Watch that. Boom. Boom. Woo! Yeah. That feels so amazing. And I want to pick up the soft brush one more time just to hit it a couple times so it could, you feel me, maneuver around my hair and just go along with the full 360, because that's all I'm doing. I'm brushing the oil in. You want to make sure you're brushing the oil in. So it's kind of hitting your scalp somehow. It can hit your scalp. Then after you do that, what I do is I brush it in for a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. I brush it in for a little bit. I hope y'all brushing, man. I really do. Brush it in for a little bit. And after I brush it in for a little bit to seal it, to lay it down, now I'm about to rag up. I just went from hard brush, medium brush, soft brush, to my oils, to using my mirror, to using all my equipment that I have, what I mean by equipment, such as my brushes, my mirrors, my oils. That's my equipment in the wave game. After I do all that, get one of these. Get one of these. Nah, it's not for sandwiches. No, I'm not about to sell no candy or sell anything else. I might be thinking. It's from my hair, you feel me? So, get a little plastic bag, you feel me? Or if you got the lay down G, I need to order one of those, you feel me? I need a lay down G. But until then, I'm gonna use my plastic bag. You feel me? I gotta make it work what I got. You feel me? I gotta work what I got. Do the plastic bag method. And the plastic bag method or lay down G, it really works. I can't speak on lay down G because I never used it, but from people that used it, it works, you feel me? So it's like you wanna get either or. Either or. And as I can see, how laid my hair is, it's like, look at that. Just look. Look. Y'all seen all the steps I did. Now look. Now if you will rewind this video, I said rewind this video and fast forward it, you'll see a big difference. You're gonna be like, damn, in the beginning his waves didn't look like that when he came out the do-rag. His hair wasn't really laid. He didn't have no shine to it when he came out the rag. His waves looked messed up and weird, but now he came out the rag and he hard brushed, he medium brushed, he soft brushed, he applied oil, he used the mirror. Now he's using his plastic bag. Oh my God, it looks different. Yeah, because it's a difference. It's a difference. Each method I do, I make sure it's upgrading my hair. It's doing something to make my hair better. Each method, if it's oils, a mirror, if it's a plastic bag, I want to make sure it's making my hair better day by day or every time I use it. I want to make sure my hair is getting better and better. What do you want? Lay that down. Lay that bad boy down. Woo. Lay him down. Yeah. I'm gonna do that for a little bit. I love the plastic bag though. I love it. I love it. I really do. I really do. After you do that for a little bit, you want to get ready to rag up. You feel me? I did all my steps. Now y'all can see my waves. I did everything I was supposed to do. You feel me? And now I'm about to just rag up now. Now I'm good to go for a little bit. You feel me? This is how to get waves 2020 method, but I'm doing it in the morning. You feel me? So it's like you could do it throughout the day. That's what I'm saying. You feel me? You could do it throughout the day. Now I'm about to rag up, save this progress. I might come out the rag later on to show my waves a little bit, but then at the end of the day, I'm really saving my progress right now. We on quarantine, we on lockdown. There's no reason for me to really show my waves or really, you feel me, show my waves. Like, if I got my wave cap off, I'm brushing. That's the type of program I'm on right now. If my wave cap is off, I'm brushing. I have to brush. It's hard to not brush when your wave cap is off. You feel me? Especially it's not the summer right now, so it's like I don't need to really like flex my waves or show my waves right now. I don't need to. Right now it's really mainly just brushing and just like trying to progress and get my waves better. That's type of program. That's what I'm on right now. I'm not really worried about showing my waves or just showing them off. I'm really on just brushing. Just brushing and ragging up. After I brush, I want to rag up fast. Save my progress. I want to save it because I don't want to go hard and do this whole brush session and then now I'm just letting my waves be however. Now I'm laying down. Now I'm taking my shirt off and my hair is getting, you know, y'all know how y'all take y'all shirt off and your hair goes back, or you take your hoodie off or you put a hoodie on. It kind of interferes with your hair. So I leave my rag on. Only time I take it off is if it's a nice, beautiful day outside, or I want to take a picture and show my waves and to show it to motivate you guys, not to flex, to motivate. You feel me? So it's like, that's the only time I really take my rag off. Other than that, I'm ragged up or I'm brushing. And that's how it should be. You feel me? What Jeezy said, if I'm not brushing, I'm cutting. So it's like you gotta have that, you feel me, that mindset to survive in this wave game. You gotta have that mindset. Because if you don't, then you just not gonna really make it too far. You're not gonna make it too far, you feel me? But as I can see, I'm fully ragged up. You feel me? So I'm about to go ahead and go about my day. I'm about to go brush my teeth, because I brush my hair first before I brush my teeth, you feel me? So it's like now I'm about to go brush my teeth, you feel me, make me some breakfast, get my day started, you feel me? So for those that watched the full video, thank you guys, I appreciate it. Make sure y'all smash the thumbs up right now, make sure y'all comment right now. Make sure y'all turn post notifications on the road to 12,000 subscribers. We almost there, Bucci Gang. So let's keep getting there. Let's keep getting there. But with that being said, man, it's Bucci360, and that was How to Get Waves 2020. I'm gonna say Bucci style. I ain't even gonna say how to get this. It's Bucci style. You feel me? I gave y'all my techniques. I gave y'all what I do. You feel me? As my supporters. So if you're new to my channel, you feel me? You're a supporter now. You feel me? I love you, and we're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna wait to the top together. So with that being said, it's Bucci6 again. We out.